How to set up Walmart Pay. Let's get started. Setting up Walmart Pay is a straightforward process that allows you to make contactless payments at Walmart stores using your smartphone. First, make sure you have downloaded the Walmart app. Open the app and sign into your Walmart account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. Once logged in, tap on Services in the app, then select Walmart Pay. You'll be prompted to add a payment method. Walmart Pay accepts major credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, debit cards, and Walmart gift cards. For added security, you can set up a PIN or use biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition to authorize payments. Once set up, you can use Walmart Pay at checkout by scanning the QR code displayed on the register screen. Your e-receipt will be saved in the app for easy access. Please note that Walmart Pay is designed for in-store purchases at Walmart location and is not accepted to other retailers or for online purchases. So this is how you can set up Walmart Pay. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.